Good afternoon, everyone. Today we are at 4310 Costa Mesa in Pensacola, Florida. This is in the heart of Spanish Trail and the La Mirage subdivision. So it is worth noting before I take you guys inside that there was a roof replacement in 2020. So your roof is only 4 years old, and as well as new windows in the front of the home. So everything is new as far as the windows on the front and that roof goes. But let's take you guys inside. This home is going to give you 3 bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms, as well as just over 1,800 square feet. So right upon entry, we have this little foyer with a slight vaulted ceiling there. And then this first little room right off the front door is going to actually be your laundry room, which I think is pretty neat because it keeps it away from the bedrooms, so you don't have to worry about the sound of laundry at night. And then also you can see there is a utility sink in there as well. So coming through, luxury vinyl floors in the main living space. So that's going to be the living room, the kitchen, the entryway, and then a flex room, which I'll show you guys momentarily. But let me go ahead and give you guys just a little pan around before we get into the guts of it all. But this is going to be an open floor plan in the kitchen to living space area. And we'll go ahead and start with the kitchen here. So stainless steel appliances. You've got a smooth flat top electric stove and oven here with that built-in microwave and vent hood overhead. And then coming through the kitchen, you've got a nice double door fridge and freezer with that water dispenser and ice maker. And then here you've got your standalone sink. You could definitely make this a farm sink if you wanted to. It is applicable. And then your dishwasher. So this island itself does double as a breakfast bar because you can fit some stools underneath. And then one of the features I actually really like is the way that the ceiling is in here. I don't know, it just makes for a very contemporary and unique look. So you do get the cathedral ceiling up there, but this square in between just lowers the lighting, but kind of like enhances the mood, I think. It's pretty interesting. So on the windows in the living room, you do have those plantation shutters. And then on your entertainment space, you have some beautiful wood built-ins that are on either side of that fireplace there. So a lot of, little unique features when it comes to the main living area of this home. So let's go ahead and continue on. The HVAC is only, I want to say, 10 years old, so it was in 2014, and then the water heater was also replaced just recently in 2017, so fairly new appliances, and the owners definitely take great care of everything here. So this is going to be bedroom number 1 that we're seeing. You do have carpeted floors, you have a double pull door closet, and then just normal blinds and drapes as far as that window goes. And then continuing just next door, you have bedroom number 2. I actually really like the color scheme in here. So bedroom number 2 has these very detailed and intricate hardwood floors in here, which are beautiful. I really love the detail. You've got 2 split windows on this side, and then same closet set up as the first bedroom, so those 2 pull doors. But I think this is a wonderful room, and I do think that the color on the wall accents the flooring pretty nice, but obviously that's preference. So here we are, we've got additional storage at the end of the hallway, so think of this more as like your modernized utility closet or linen closet. And then coming into our first full bathroom, you can see it's tiled floors here. You do have a single vanity, but it is long enough for some counter space storage. And then this is a shower only. So it's a tiled walk-in shower. You do have a little step there, but there's your window. And then you've got some nice vanity lighting. There we go. Love it, love it. All right, so continuing on through, the master is kind of on its own wing of the house in regards to bedroom distribution, but there is a flex space that is in between the kitchen, which we are going through now, and the master. So yeah, you are kind of secluded on your own side of the house. So this is the flex space I was talking about. You can enclose this off from the main living area with that little pull door right there. And then this flex space also has its own entryway to the backyard, which we will go see momentarily. So you actually have 3 access points to the pool. That's going to be your main living area, which we just came from this flex space, and then the master that I will show you guys in a moment. But this is the flex space here. Again, plantation shutters in the front. There is your front door. So it's just kind of one big L shape. So really you can make this anything you want. Honestly, you could probably put a TV right there if you wanted to keep, you know, the type of sectional L space in the corner. You could keep this as an at-home office, a gym. If you have children, absolutely keep it as, you know, a closed off play area. Really, the options are endless when it comes to that flex space, which is enjoyable. So here's going to be your 3rd access point to outside in the primary bedroom. So primary bedroom goes back to those detail hardwood floors, which I personally love. I think that these are beautiful. And so to have that in the primary is fantastic. Here you can see we've got his and hers closets. I could tell you which one I would pick, probably the double door, or whichever one is more of a walk-in style. But you have those 2 closets there just parallel from one another. And then here we are in the master bathroom. So this one is going to be a tub shower duo. You do have the commode inside. And then you have a single vanity here. Lots of under storage, and then nice lighting with those mirrors. So lovely touch in here, just exactly what you need. But without further ado, let's go ahead and take you guys outside. So the pool vacuum is going to convey, which is amazing. And then on the topic of newness, this pool screen is only about 3 years old as well. So 3-ish years on the pool screen, 3-ish years on the front windows of the home, and then 4 years on the roof. So newness all the way around. So we love that. Here is your pool outside. You got the pavers, and then let me show you guys from the back here. You can see that the awning does extend. So once you get out on your patio, you could absolutely put, you know, if you have a larger family or if you just host a lot of friends, you could put a longer table out here. You could zhuzh it up and have a barbecue or a bar area, heck, even a coffee area if that's more of your speed. And then as you can see, enclosed pool here. Beautiful, beautiful. So that way, if you have animals or children, or you just like having that access from pool to your grass, it is here at your leisure. So we are going to exit out of this door here. And then as you can see, you've got this beautiful grassy area. There is a shed in the back. Let me turn around and show you guys. So you actually can, there are pavers. You can walk the perimeter of the screened in pool. So you can obviously do, you know, your yard and lawn maintenance. But then let's go ahead and keep showing you guys, which I think is interesting. So I'll walk you guys around. There's a 2-car garage with this home. There's a better look at your shed. Beautiful. So 2-car garage on this home. It is a front entrance, but there is a door that will actually lead you to your backyard. So as you can see right here, this door will lead you to the backyard. It is from the garage. And I'll actually take you guys back out to the front again so you can just kind of get a good feel of the layout here. So gate to the backyard is going to be a front access as well. There is your garage. And now we're back at the front of the home. So again, you guys, this is 4310 Costa Mesa in Pensacola, Florida. Spanish Trail, we love it here. The sun is shining today, and we hope that you guys will come check this beauty out.